Do you want a simple and consistent way to track your tasks, ideas, and notes every day? Obsidian has a built-in display notes feature that makes it super easy. First is to enable the daily notes plugin from the settings. This allows you to automatically create a note for each day. Now, once it is activated, click the new daily note button to open today's note. You will see a blank page that is ready to use, and add headings for tasks, notes, and ideas to keep everything structured. This ensures that you have a clear place for everything each day. And another tip is to use the same template daily. Consistency is key for building a habit and keeping your notes organized. And now you can track your daily progress, ideas, and tasks all in one clean space. And that's how you can create a daily notes setup in Obsidian, and thank you for listening.